make sure they're touching each other and they're all connected. Then she's going to try and get up onto the funnel and onto the brakes wheel there and then hit the brakes. So that's the match. So she's going to come back and then they're going to try and get up onto the roof and the funnel of the train. And then she hits the brakes. Hitting the brakes is trying to make it into a race. Wow. Alright, here we go then. We're back further this time. This is going to be